sure we can get to school this way? I've never been this way.
Relax, Tori. Everything's fine.
Weird. My phone's not getting any signal. See?
No signal.
Yeah, we're about to drive through Shadow Creek Park. There's not much signal up here.
There's not much of anything up here.